What you gonna do? I'm finna sue Uber for they seen the whole video, so they know they dead ass wrong. So
So there is this video going viral and everyone is talking about it. It got people really mad. So these ladies got in an Uber and then the Uber driver, trying to follow the normal protocol, told them to mask up. I mean, what could go wrong? He only told them to put on their mask, right? He never said put the mask around your throat and choke yourself with it. He just said put your mask on. And oh boy, hell was let loose.
fuck the mask. Fuck nigga, and I got corona. Yeah, what's up? Fuck you too. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
My property.
You about to get your ass for shit. Now you about to get beat the fuck up. Yeah, now you about to get beat the fuck up. Now you about to get beat the fuck up. What's up?
You don't.
As you could see, these ladies insulted this man, harassed him, removed his mask, and even coughed on him. He couldn't risk having COVID because some people decided to be irresponsible with their lives. I mean, if she doesn't want to wear a mask, that's her own cup of tea. If not wearing a mask is our kind of kink, I'm not kink shaming her. Oh, that's fine, but perhaps don't cough on people who are responsible enough and are sensible enough to know that they have to wear a mask. This lady also had her phone up and was recording, which was useless by the way, because she tried to kind of change things and make people look at it from her own point of view, which is still stupid because her point of view was still stupid. She claimed he was trying to drop them off in the hood. He wouldn't stop the car. In her live stream, she blabbed and blabbed and blabbed and threatened to have Uber sue.
I'm finna sue Uber for they seen the whole video, so they know they dead ass stupid ass Uber, bruh. On mamas. That's why I take Lyft. That's why I take Lyft. My boyfriend taught me don't let nobody play with you, smack the fuck out them. That's what I was taught.
Your boyfriend your boyfriend taught you? Your boyfriend taught you? Is she a dog? Oh my god. So a boyfriend is like, hey girl, come here. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. So what did I tell you to do when people politely tell you to put your mask on so they could go on and do their job and go on with the day? You said I should smack them, curse at them, call them names, cough at them and take off their mask. I should just be a total asshole to people who are being nice. Wonderful, wonderful girl. What a good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Here's some treat. Woof, woof. Anyways, for all the trouble this man went through, it was only offered $120, which is quite a small and insignificant amount compared to all he went through in the hands of those passengers from hell. But the sun will always shine through the cloudy skies, and this man had a GoFundMe opened up for him and over $29,000 has been donated. Wow, I'm so happy for him, and it's just so unfortunate that he had to have carried these passengers. I hope these girls get what they deserve, because just like them, karma is also a bitch.
And he lucky as hell I ain't have nothing on me on mamas, because if he would have played with me, bruh, it would have been a whole different story. For real, you know. All I did was take his mask off and cough a little bit. But I ain't even have corona, so at the end of the day... Okay, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That was disrespectful as fuck. I'm dead ass wrong for that, but it could have been avoided. Period, point blank.